So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the frame rate here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play my video right here, obviously it's a picture, so it's not going to play anything, but the frame rate, I think it's 30 frames per second. If you wanted to change this, go to the top right, select the gear icon, then go down to where it says frame rate, and I was correct, it's 30 FPS or 30 frames per second. But you can go ahead and change this, right? If you want to make this 60 FPS, you can go ahead and do that. So if I were to play the video, it'll now play in 60 FPS. If you wanted to change this to less, to maybe like 15, you can play it and it can be 15. Do what you got to do. Basically, play around with it. There's a bunch of different options here. There's 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60. You're probably only going to use 30 or 60, but you can edit it this way, exit out of there, and then do what you got to do. So pretty simple, but that is how to edit the frame rate here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.